Okay, so this is our room number 2603, and we're gonna go outside to use the car. This is a bell.
No. Open. Okay. Okay.
So then we need the car to on the light. If you have to put it inside for the light to on. This is a fan. You can turn it on and off. Aircon. Because over here is the fan. Okay. So there's a cleaning and everything. This is the TV and this is the living room over here. So this is like a table, you can put your things here. And over here also. This is a table, another table, and this is a sofa. And the telephone is over there to call if you need anything. Now this is the bedroom with 4 pillows, and you can have a window here and even outside to have a window. And there's another TV over here and another cell phone. Wow, so nice. So yeah. So today I'm going to be showing you about the breakfast in this hotel, okay, in Furama hotel. And I'm going to show you around the lift lobby. So let's get started. So this one is like drinking water on the floor, okay, and you can't smoke at this hotel. Alright. So then you have to press this, and then you have to push. Then the water can come out from here. Hot water. Now for the cold water, you can either switch it to room temperature or cold one. Then it will come out, okay? The third floor is on the pool side, so we can also, like, if you want to swim, you can also swim over there. They check your number if you like which room they check, because for safety reasons. It's like set it like a buffet. So this is muesli. Okay. They put ice so that's cold. Then this one is fruit cocktail. Fruit cocktail. This is orange. This is a honeydew. This is a water. These are obviously watermelons. Soy sauce, if you want to. Just a chili sauce and tomato ketchup. Salt. Pepper. This is yogurt. This is strawberry yogurt. Plain yogurt. That's it. These are onions. This is honey mustard dressing. That's a Thousand Island dressing. Tomato cherry? Where? Oh, this is tomato cherry. This is vinaigrette dressing. Caesar salad dressing and cucumber. Danish paste. This This is a baguette toast. Baguette toast. Honey syrup and maple syrup. Maple and honey. Pickled lettuce. Salted fish. Sesame oil. Fried onion. Braised peanuts. Salted egg. Soy sauce. Porridge with condiments. So inside is porridge. Inside there are steamed mantles. These are bean sprouts, mustard greens, and cut chili. Fish ball, fish cake. Keto noodle. Kway tiao noodle. So you know what's kway tiao? It's like kway tiao. Yellow noodle. Oh, look. I might take some later if I want to. Coconut jam. Coconut jam, huh? Okay. Unsalted butter, strawberry jam, apricot jam. Nice. Well, there's still more. Nasi lemak. Peanuts. Cucumber. Anchovies. Hard-boiled egg. Chicken meatball with black pepper sauce. Hash brown. Baked beans. Salted long bean. Red cooked chicken. Fried beef. Okay, so there's a lot of food options. Seriously, they're long. Vegetarian food, they can show masala paneer, spring roll, chicken roasted, black eyed peas, tosai, dal curry, coconut chutney, fresh milk, honey stars, cocoa crunch. I like this one. I ate it dry. Just have to twist all the way, and then the glasses are over here. Apple chill juice and rose quarter. Brown sugar. Black pumpkin water. Hot milk. Hot tea. So maybe these are for later. Look at that view from outside. That's it. Now I'm going to show you the swimming pool. Okay, there are a lot of things. No lifeguard on duty. Pool is for the guests only. So we can use it because we are hotel guests. Okay. So to the children under age of 12 must be accompanied by adults. Seriously? But literally now to swim. And the pool is not deep at all. No diving, no riding a horseplay, no glass contains food intoxicants or drugs. Maximum pool depth is 4 feet for 1.2 meters. Okay? So the swimming dress code, swimsuit, board shorts, Muslim masumer if any Muslim, wetsuit, swimming trunks, and bikini. They're allowed. Not allowed diapers, undergarments, hijab, t-shirt, shoes, slippers, and jeans. This is the pool. Okay. Then you just have to go here and then turn. This is a gym. And that's the shower area. Floaties. Shower area. Okay, let's go now.